vlog. So today we are going to our prenatal checkup. It seems like we have them almost every 2 weeks because we're switching on and off between a specialist and a regular OBGYN. So today we're going, and I am 13 weeks and 2 days today. And we are going to check out and see our little baby boy and see how he's doing and growing. And hopefully I'll have some footage to put in here of him. And then later on this week I'm going to pack for our trip to Colorado, because on the 19th we're going to go and visit family for Thanksgiving, and it's going to be awesome. So that is the plan for this week's vlog. How do you feel about that, hun?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard. Do you guys have a name?
Not yet. We're thinking.
You see the baby right there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the whole view on the screen so you can get a picture. There's the legs. Upside down.
Yeah, I've been feeling kind of flutters.
Oh,
there
good.
At times, and I just know it's got to be him.
Well, of course. Well, that's awesome.
Oh.
No,
Cheers.
baby on one screen. Okay. Almost.
Hey guys, today is Wednesday. This is Ari. She is hanging out, wanting to be touched and loved today. Kitty Cam. Yesterday I cleaned the bathroom because we're going to be leaving on Monday, and I wanted things to just look better and a little cleaner around here so that we could come home to a nice clean house. I haven't really gotten my energy back, but I'm just trying to get up and do the things that I need to do so that we could go out of town. So today I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I may start packing. I usually pack a few days in advance. I don't like to wait till the last second, because if I wait till the last second, I personally will leave stuff that I need to bring, and I'll totally forget stuff. So I think I'll start packing today, and I'll vlog some of that. But yeah, we only have a few days, and then we're heading to Colorado, and it has been like so cold here, and I live in Vegas, and it's just like really cold. So I can't imagine what it's like in Colorado. Now, I visited Colorado in the cold like for the past 5 years, you know, but you tend to like forget when you don't live there every day. So I'm going to bring leggings and jeans and just really comfortable clothes, and really warm clothes. So I did want to catch you guys up on the last appointment. So we went in, we vlogged the ultrasound and everything, and if you guys remember, a few weeks ago I had my pregnancy labs done, and they said everything was okay but one thing. And the one thing was, for some reason, I am not immune to rubella, which I think from what I've researched online is practically the measles. And so they said one of two things happened. I either didn't get the shot when I was a baby, which I know I did, or sometimes in some people's bodies the like immunity goes down and nobody really knows why. So they can't really give me a shot right now, because when you get the shot you get a little bit in you and it would attack the baby, and that would be really bad. So she told me to avoid Disneyland, because I guess recently they had an outbreak. She told me to avoid prisons, which I don't go to anyway. And then she told me to avoid daycare centers and places where a lot of children would be. And I don't really go to daycare centers. So I think I'm pretty much okay, but it still kind of worries me, because she said if I got it, it would definitely be catastrophic to the baby. So I'm washing my hands, I'm being really careful when I go out. And that's just what I gotta do, is just be super careful and really choosy with the places that I go to. So, other than that, baby looked good. Baby's looking good every time we go in, which is really great. What do you think about that, Ari? What do you think about that? It's been kind of cold in our house lately, so she just wants to hop on me and snuggle. And she doesn't know it, or maybe she does know it, but she's sitting on the baby right now. But she's so white. Anyway, I've been feeling lots of flutters in my tummy lately, so I know that it's the baby. The doctor said it's totally normal for me to feel that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna pack today. I think that's about it for right now. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to go upstairs and do some packing. I know there's dishes behind me that we gotta do. I was working on a Christmas present since we're going to be celebrating Christmas up with Thanksgiving when we visit Arlie's family. So I put together cookies in a jar right here, and then a jar wasn't big enough for the chocolate chips, so I just have a mini jar to go with it with the chocolate chips in it. And then this is popcorn that is peppermint flavored, so if you can look, you can see little peppermints in there. And this is by Boom Chicka Pop. But I'm going to put this together in a gift for somebody. So I was just working on that. Now I have that done. So now I'm going to put really pretty ribbon on it and the instructions for how to make the cookies. And then I'm going to pack all the gifts that we have for Christmas in the suitcase. And then I'm going to start with trying to get my stuff together and ready to pack. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so I am just laying out my clothes on my dresser and just packing a little bit. So usually when I start to pack, I have a list of stuff that I go by. And I've pretty much just been packing the stuff just by memory of what I think I need. But I'll just show you what I have packed. Right here, I have some leggings and my jeans. And my jeans, since I'm pregnant, obviously don't fit as good as they did. So I will be using the hair tie method. And you just like loop it in your jeans and then you pull over and it holds the buckle part. So I have that, and I have 4 pairs of leggings. One of those pairs I will be wearing when we fly. Then I have some big comfy sweaters here. So this is like a big red sweater. This is like a sweater dress right here. And I have my fall shirt that I wore in my announcement video. And then I have another maternity shirt right here, which I'll wear at the baby shower that they're going to have for us. I also have gloves and a blanket scarf. I have some undershirts, some pajamas, some socks, some personal stuff, and then I also have the perfume I want to bring. Usually every time I go, I bring one perfume, just so I could smell good at all times, because I don't necessarily want to take like baths all the time. There's going to be a ton of people there. And then also I'm going to be bringing this lipstick, which is Touch and Soul Metalistic Liquid Foil Lipstick, and it came in my FabFitFun box. And then to complete the makeup look that I'll have, I'm going to bring this palette. It's by Levonics or whatever, by Debbie Lovano. And I really like this palette just because it has a bunch of fall tones in it. So I'll be bringing that, and then also some mascara. Which I have this one, I have the Amplified one, and then I have the blue one. And since it's fall, I'm going to stay away from the blue. And I'll probably bring one of these, probably this one. I'll lay it over here. But I like to have everything laid out. Then I also have some jewelry laid out in the bathroom. So I put the jewelry that I'm going to wear in here with my hair ties and my bobby pins, which I have a ton in here. Just so I can create any kind of look that I want for my hair. And the earrings that I want to wear are these. They're right there. But that's it. And then I bought this at Walmart. They're like $3, and they're to-go containers for when you go on a trip. And then so far in here, my little cosmetic bag I have here, which the cosmetic bag that I bought was from the dollar store. I planned to gift it to somebody for Christmas, but decided I'm just going to use it and try it out, and then I will probably buy another one for them, fill it with cosmetic type stuff, and give it to them for Christmas. But so far what I have in here is those bottles. I have these, which are eye cleaning pads for makeup, but I use them all over my face. Some deodorant in here. And then I also have a smaller container of dry shampoo. I have a large one of these, and it's one of my favorite dry shampoos, but I got it in the small for travel size, which is awesome. And then lastly, what I have in here so far is this moisturizer, and we're going to a really, really cold climate, so I got the for extra dry skin for like when you're out in the freezing cold. So that's all that I have in the travel bag. That's all I have packed right this moment. And I have enough clothes since we're leaving on Monday, and today is Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I have enough clothes that I don't need to really wash any to travel. So I'm just going to look through here, my list, and add some things that I am missing. And that's about it for packing for right now.
I'm also jamming to a lot of Christmas music right now. I know people say it's too early, but it's 6 weeks till Christmas. That's not a lot of time to listen to Christmas music. So I'm going to start now listening to Christmas music.
Hey guys, today is Friday, and I washed my hair and put them in braids because I recently bought a beanie hat, and I normally never wear hats, but we're going to a cold climate next week, and I really wanted a nice hat to keep my head and my ears warm. And so I wondered if I put my hair in pigtails when it was wet, when it comes out wavy, if it would look better with the beanie. So I am kind of test trying that out right now. So when they dry, I will put the beanie on and see what it looks like with the wavy hair. I think it will look better. Anyway, today I got a little bit more energy. I am officially in the second trimester now as of Wednesday. Yay! I'm feeling like my energy is coming back slowly. But today I got up and I took a shower, washed my hair, and then I cleaned off all the counters in my kitchen. And then I did the dishes, and I broomed and swept the kitchen floor, and I cleaned the kitchen floor and threw a load of laundry in. So, I feel like I've been doing a lot. I also folded some towels. So yeah, and then I did the last of my packing, and I put it in the suitcase, which I filmed for you guys. You know, there's last minute things to throw in, like the cosmetics. But we will be leaving on Monday. Super exciting. So I'll probably start the vlog off on Monday. But today is Friday, and this is the last day, and then my husband has a long 9 days off for Thanksgiving, so he should be home any minute, and it should be a good night, just hanging out, and a good start to the week off. So also, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm almost 14 weeks now. Baby was moving a lot. Baby has been craving Slurpees and dollar nuggets from Burger King, like so bad. It was really funny because I had a Slurpee and the nuggets the other day, and he moved after for like a straight hour. Like he was just wiggling, and it was just butterflies after flutters, and it was just, he was moving so much, and I knew it was him because he was in the same area, and I kept feeling it. But he is craving Slurpees and nuggets. Like, he can't get enough of them, and I can't get enough of them. They are so good, and they're so cheap. I think it comes to like $2.37 when I get them. Super yummy, though, and he has been craving it, and he's been loving it. So, yeah, I just wanted to share that in this vlog so I can look back and remember what I was craving this week. So, thanks so much for watching this video. We are 6 subscribers away from 2,000, and I am so excited. So please subscribe if you haven't already. When we get to 2,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway, and stay tuned for that. And next week's vlog is going to be awesome because I'm going to be in Colorado and Black Friday shopping and having a baby shower, and it's just going to be a lot of stuff that I'm going to vlog. So stay tuned for the next vlog and the next video coming out soon. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. We are so close to hitting 2,000 subscribers, and I can't wait to do a giveaway for you guys. So I'll see you in the next vlog and video soon. Bye!